Mother and her 10-month-old child gone missing in St. Andrew. Man shot and killed after allegedly pointing gun at police in St. James. Saint Anne man shot dead after vehicle runs out of gas. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 27-year-old Tassina Patterson, otherwise called Tuss, and her 10-month-old child, Saraya Powell, of Gilmore Drive, St. Andrew, have been missing since Saturday, September 9. In a release, the police said Patterson is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 163 centimeters or 5 feet 4 inches tall, while Saraya is of dark complexion and about 75 centimeters tall. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that about 7 a.m., Patterson and Saraya were last seen at their gate. When last seen, Patterson was dressed in a brown tube top, army green sweatpants, and a pair of black Crocs shoes, while Saraya was dressed in a pink onesie. They have not been heard from since then. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Tassina Patterson and Saraya Powell is being asked to contact the Halfway Tree Police at 876-926-8141, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. A man was shot and killed by the St. James Police in Unity Hall in the parish on Saturday. Acting Senior Superintendent of Police in charge of St. James, Aaron Thompson, stated that the man, who remains unidentified, was shot after he allegedly pulled a Springfield 9mm pistol and pointed it at the police. He was rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The incident occurred at approximately 10:40 a.m. along the Guava Walk Main Road in Unity Hall, where the police were on patrol. Thompson stated that the police tried to accost the man, whom they said was acting suspiciously. The pistol the man was carrying reportedly had a magazine of 7 live 9mm rounds. A man was shot and killed in Claremont, St. Anne on Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as 27-year-old Dane Watson of Hermitage in the parish. More details to come following further investigations.